Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna talk about how to promote your YouTube channel from your mobile phone. And if you have any Android phone, then you can use this trick. Already I have installed the two applications on my mobile phone. Number one is a task recorder. This task recorder will be recorded your screen, whatever you are doing, and then you can replay this one. And another app name is Uberup. Uberup is a very popular Google app, and by using this application, then you can increase your YouTube subscribers and likes and share and etc. And you can also boost your YouTube channel totally free. Okay, let's do it. How you can promote your YouTube channel? First of all, if you want to install this software, I just want to install this software. If you don't have like that, go to the Play Store, then go to the search button, then just type Uberup. Uberup. When you type the Uberup, okay, turn on the net. Again search. Okay, already I have installed this software, so that's why I see here there is no option to install it again. So if you don't have installed this software, then you can install it. Okay, and it has about 2K reviews and 4.0 views, about 50K downloads. Okay, and after doing this, then we have to install the another application, what is called task recorder. Just write task recorder, task retest. Okay, just type the task recorder or task retest. Okay, I'm just going to check it out. Task recorder. Okay, again task recorder, just type. Okay, this one. Already I have installed this task recorder. This is a this software will record you tasks, whatever you are doing on your mobile phone, then that software will be recorded. Okay, let's check out the Uberup application. To use before using this application, then you have to sign with your Gmail account where you have YouTube account, then you can use this one. First of all, when you see like this dashboard, then go here, and already I have attached my Gmail account where I have some YouTube channel account there. So if you want to change your Gmail account, then just click on here or setting button, then you can change, and you can also log out, but I don't want to log out, so that's why I just want to use this one. So if you don't have link up this any Gmail account, then at first you have to do this, then you can start adding YouTube subscribers and likes and views and etc. This application will be helpful for you, because this is the one kind of social exchanger site. That means if you subscribe if you subscribe others YouTube channel, or if you like others YouTube channel, if you watch others videos, then you can your video will be shown by others also. Okay, first of all, you have to earn the coins from here, then you can share your YouTube channel or videos here. Okay, already I have did something from here. If I go there, that there has a three option. This option is actually what tasks already I have listed here, then you can check it out. And next, the middle one is which option you want to get it, actually which offers, so the which pen you just want to edit, then you can select this one. Okay, already I have added some plans from here already. Seven tasks already I have added, but 7 tasks already added. That means I already 7 YouTube videos, and then all tasks already has been completed. That means I just selected 20 views, and 20 views already completed, 15 views already completed, 25 views already completed. Okay, then I just added the YouTube channel where I just want to add some YouTube subscriber on my channel. That's why I have added. Okay, your subscriber will be added so slowly because this software really very helpful to gain the real YouTube subscriber. I just whatever I check it out and whatever I got it, so that's why I'm just going to share this one. Okay, I just added the some YouTube channel. Already I have got some YouTube subscriber already. 5 tasks already completed out of 8. Okay, 2 tasks for where I have added for YouTube likes for my video. Already 2 tasks already completed. Okay, let's do it actually how to gain the YouTube, how to gain the current coins from here. Okay, if you subscribe this here, then you will you have to wait for the 35 seconds actually. Then you can get the some points from here. Then all points will be added there. Already you see in here 21,600 coins available here. So this subscriber will be automatically added this channel when you click on here. Then until this completed this time, you have to wait to get the coins. Otherwise, if you skip, then your coins will not be added. Then afterwards, after waiting this time, then just click on the claim 125 coins. 125 coins already added on my total points. So this one, and you can also earn coins by subscribing other channel, and you can also like others YouTube channel. Okay, just click on here. Then you have to wait for some times. That means 35 seconds you have to wait. Sometimes you have to wait for 40 seconds. Sometimes you have to wait for 1 minute, like that. Okay, this is the like option, and another option is a view option. That means when you click on the like option on others video, this video, then you can get it. Okay, automatically this is working because I already selected auto claim. Okay, now you have to go for the next one. This one actually I just want to add my YouTube channel, so then you can write your YouTube channel name. Okay, I'm just going to type my YouTube channel. If you don't know and what is your YouTube channel name, then go to the YouTube. Okay, this one. Okay, this one I just want to okay, this is the video. I just want to copy this link. Just copy link, and okay, I just want to copy that YouTube channel URL. Then just click on here, share option, copy link, and now I'm just going to paste this YouTube channel URL. Okay, this is my YouTube channel URL. I just want to add this link, add this YouTube channel link to get the some subscriber on my YouTube channel. Okay, after done this, then you can choose the plan. There are some options to select any plan from here. That means I see I have a 21,705 coins. If you have sufficient coins, then you can check it out from here. Okay, I just want to use this one, 100 subscribers, then get subscriber now. Okay, already I have added this one, and when I finally selected this one, then my coins will be deducted from my total account. And already I got some one pop-up where I see here the congrats, your task has been published successfully. Okay, we have already successfully added our YouTube channel, and our total point 18,000 points already deducted from my total points. Okay, this is the one option to add YouTube channel link. And if you have any YouTube video, then you can add also here. Okay, I'm just going to copy any YouTube video link. Okay, this is a YouTube video link. I just want to copy this one, then again paste and charts. Okay, this video already added on here, and finally I have to select how many likes I want to add on my YouTube video. I just want to 10 likes, 10 like against of 1,200 coins. 1,200 coins will be already deducted from my main account. Okay, next one, I want to get some YouTube views on my YouTube channel. So if you want to do it, then again paste your YouTube channel link, then how many YouTube views do you need, just select this pane. Okay, then get views now. Okay, this channel already added, again click on the get views now. Okay, it already successfully added. Okay, we already shown you that, and how to get YouTube subscriber, how to get likes, how to get views. Okay, let's check it out our task list. What is the condition, or the how is going this work. Okay, already 7 tasks already completed. 1 task is now pending. That means it's processing. It will take some times. That means it will take 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, like this one. And already I added this one. Already I added this about 7 days ago. Already I added this one today. If you get when you get 100 subscribers, then it will be successfully completed. Okay, next one, this one. So I hope that if you think that, and to get auto points, how to use our next number two app. This apps, I just want to use this one because okay, click on here. If you don't see here like this, just waste 8, because this is the free of cost software, so that's why you have to waste you have to watch it. Now I just want to record my script, because just click on the add script. Okay, now I'm going to okay, I'm just now on my Uberup app. Now I would like to record my screen, whatever I'm doing. This software will help you to do any tasks automatically without touching any by yourself. Just when you record your any activities, then that application will be run automatically. Okay, let's record our touch. Okay, next. Okay, recording is already started. Then subscriber is started. Okay, just wait and see. Record hour started, and also this record hour this video this task is already processing. After 20 or few seconds, and then our points will be added on our total points. And when you completed, when you after 30 seconds, when you click on any here, then that will be recorded by this software, by this task recorder software. Okay, click on here. Okay, I just want to record this one. Then when you record successfully, then skip saved notification will be shown you to. Then okay, now I'm just going to play this one. Just click the play script, sorry. Then how many times you want to play this script, then go to the edit script. There is some functions. Number 1 is a loop. Loop means how many times you want to play this script. Okay, I just want to play 100 times, 100,000 times. You can actually set up whatever you want. Okay, save option. And now I'm just going to play this skip. And what is the function of the screen the touch recorder, that let's see. Okay, play. I'm not touching my mobile phone screen, but this software is running. This screen will be run by this software, because this software will help you to get the coins from Uberup, because without investing any lots of time, because many of guys actually don't have any time to subscribe their channel, or say to like their any others video, or watching or any others video, but they just want to do it automatically, then they can do it. Let's check it out. Automatically this is working, and point is also added. Okay, thanks for watching. If you think that this video will is very helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to share my YouTube videos, and if you have any comments or if you have any problems, please make a comment on my video below the video comment box, and I'll try my best to give you the right answer within short time.